Hey there, ladies. Ever wondered what it's like to have a Jamaican man in your life? Well, let me tell you, there's something incredibly irresistible about them. From their charming personalities to their incredible skills around the house, Jamaican men are the total package. First up, let's talk about their charm. Jamaican men have this natural charisma that just draws you in. Whether it's their smooth accents, their infectious laughter, or their laid-back attitude, they know how to make you feel special. They've perfected the art of making you feel like you're the only woman in the room. And ladies, let's not forget about their cooking skills. Jamaican men can whip up a storm in the kitchen. From spicy jerk chicken to deliciously sweet plantains, their culinary talents are next level. Imagine coming home to a home-cooked meal with flavors that transport you straight to the Caribbean. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Now here's something that might surprise you. Jamaican men are excellent housemen. Yes, you heard that right. They can clean, wash clothes by hand, and even make the beds with precision. This stems from their upbringing, where they're taught to be self-sufficient and take pride in their responsibilities. So, not only do they know how to take care of themselves, but they also know how to take care of you. Let's talk about their loving nature. Jamaican men are incredibly affectionate and know how to make you feel loved and appreciated. They're attentive, caring, and know how to make every moment special. Whether it's a simple hug or a romantic gesture, they know how to keep the flame alive. And let's not forget their skills in the bedroom. Jamaican men are known for their passion and intensity. They know how to make you feel desired and cherished, leaving you with unforgettable experiences. So why are Jamaican men such good housemen? It all comes down to their upbringing. From a young age, they're taught the importance of family, respect, and hard work. These values shape them into men who know how to take care of their homes and their loved ones. Ladies, if you haven't experienced the charm and allure of a Jamaican man, you're missing out. From their cooking and cleaning skills to their affectionate and passionate nature, they truly are the complete package. So why not give it a try? You might just find your perfect match in a Jamaican man. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. Until next time, stay charming.